Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. And today I have an exciting video for you. And I have all these lined up out here, about 7 or 8 different platforms that you can create, and you can start for free, zero cost, zero fees to start, um, to upload your course online, your digital product online at no cost. Now, remember that these are not the one that have 7 days, 14 days. These trials, these are absolutely free, forever free plan. I want to talk about System IO and also they're Teachable and Thinkific and Gumroad and Payhip, Sellix, Udemy, Skillshare, and also there's teachers paid teachers. There's a lot of different platform out there that allow you to start for free, and the one that I really like the most, I'm gonna keep it for the end so that you can um, have a chance to compare and see which one, in your opinion, as I go through all these features and prices to see which ones works out better for you. And for me, I'm gonna go over, if you only want to have one blog, you want to start out with one blog, you can have unlimited amount of blog posts. You can create a course to try it out, and unlimited amount of students, and unlimited amount of storage space. You have a way to automate and to use email contact, to tag your potential students, to have a upsells and A/B testing. And remember, with this plan though, you can send unlimited amount of email, provided there's a limit of how many contacts you can have, which is 2,000 contacts. It does take a while to grow this amount of contacts. Usually, if you think about in a month, if you're starting out, you gain at most about 100 to 200 contacts. That's a lot when you're starting out. Then about 10 to 12 months, so this the whole year for free. You can start out for free and to try it out, to build your own presence, and to testing out, creating your own course, your own email, and your own product. You get to get one course. I think that's the only digital product they allow. So if you're thinking of create a YouTube channel and you just want one extra e-course, then this is perfect for you. They do allow you to have one custom domain, meaning that they give you a website for free and they're hosting it for free, as far as I know. However, there's no webinar, there's no free migration, there's no um, one-on-one coaching. One of the things that really stand out is that the free plan has the affiliate program for your course, and which is really great. Not a lot of plan does that with the free plan. I don't know any actually that actually give you affiliate program features in your free plan. You pay nothing and you're getting a free website of, I think you only need to pay for the domain name, which is about $5 to $10 to $12 per year, and then you get to host. Because with hosting, it probably the cheapest when you're starting out is probably $2 to $3, $1 to $3 in the beginning, the first year or so, and then or 2 to 3 years depends on the plan. If you're starting out with Bluehost, you're starting out with um, what is it, HostGator or any Hostinger, any other plan. The cheapest plan is probably at least $1 to $3 per month, okay, to start out with. So saving all that money, you can try it out for maybe a year or 2 years, whatever, how long it takes you. So you don't have to worry about paying at all with this plan, with this system here. With Teachable, now they charge you with transaction fees on sale, so you have to pay between 10% to 5%. So with the free plan is 10%, which is, I think it's a lot compared to Gumroad and Payhip. Gumroad, I believe they start out with 9%, and Payhip is 5% with the free plan. So you can look here, unlimited amount of product for only just 5% transaction fee. I know it's a lot to consider 5% transaction fee, but if you're starting out, you're barely selling like, so if you think about it, if your 5% is more than $29, then it's gonna be worth it. You move up with $99 or no transaction fee, or to the next level, which is $29 with 2% transaction fee. So that's calculated to be like, if you if you $1,000, you make a sale $1,000 per month, then you 5% would be about $50. So that's going to be worth it for you to move up to the next level already, roughly. Yeah, so that's how it works. And I'm not sure that a lot of us heard about Sellix. This is a cool place, a platform where you can accept the bitcoins and all sort of different gateway to pay for your digital products. And also they have subscription, digital download. You can use affiliate marketing, embed all that features in there, and custom domain. If you go to the next tiers, they pay for your domain as well. So if you look here, right here, file storage, which is pretty generous here. The cloud storage is 35. Custom domain, oh, I guess, I'm sorry, they don't pay for your custom domain for your free plan. See that? But the next tiers, yes, 2 custom domain, the next tier is 5. So yeah, feel free to check these out. And yeah, going back to Teachable. Teachable here allow you to start with one course and one administrator user, which is going to be you, one course only, and they take 10% out of that, which um, you don't get affiliate marketing. You don't get, I believe you don't get, yeah, your own affiliate programs until you go to the next tiers, which is right here, or next, the pro tiers, and you get affiliate marketing, meaning that you can have somebody else promote for your course and pay them out. So this is only at the pro tiers, which is worth it if you're going to be making a lot more money. But look at the whole year, you spend at least $1,200 for that plan just to promote. See that? So going back to Teachable, Teachable has very generous free plan as well. If you look at it, you only get I believe there's only 3 courses. 2 is pay, 1 is free, so that you can start growing your email list. But the thing is, you get unlimited students. So if you're thinking you're only gonna create 2 courses or something like that, then yeah, go with this plan. Now the thing with this one is that they don't have any email marketing, don't have any affiliate marketing. They do have full e-commerce and website templates and all that stuff, but they do have a Thinkific app for your course. But again, looking at this here, the basics start higher than the Teachable, but you get unlimited course. Let me see, go back here, go up here real fast. Oh yeah, this one also have unlimited course as well. Sorry, so that's good. But you don't get affiliate marketing, and you don't get email. Um, I believe you don't get email. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, email right here. So you get to email, but no affiliate marketing. So the basic tier for Teachable might be something you want to consider because they do have email marketing. Now for the I'm sorry, for Thinkific, they allow you to have coupon promotion. Oh, they have email as well here. So yeah, definitely both plan has email with the pay plan. They have coupon and promotion. Now going to the next tiers, so you might want to consider trying it out with Gumroad. This is how it works. Lifetime earning, meaning that if you for your first year, if you made $100,000, then you pay only 3%, which is really really good. So and then the next year you make 2 3, so it caps out around 2 to 3%, which is not bad. But look at the 30 cents each transaction, so you have to think about this part as well. That's something that um, it's going to add up. Let's just say uh, you have like 1,000 transactions, so that's gonna cost you, I believe, $30 or $300. 1,000, then it costs you, so point 0.3, right? Point 0.3 times 1,000. I want to say $300, just on transactional stuff. Now going to the next one, which is Payhip. Payhip has a little bit better transaction fee in that you can start out for free, but you have to pay the transaction fee. And it's not bad with 2%. This is might be better than Gumroad in the sense that the high with the $1 million for the lifetime, you still have to pay this amount and you still have to pay each transaction fee versus um, Payhip right here only pay 2% regardless. And if you pay $29 per month, and then you all set. And then with this plan here, it might be the best if you don't have any transactional fee here and all the features. And remember that with the free plan, you start out with all the features as well, but you just have to pay the 5% transaction fee because you don't know, sometimes you have months when you don't make any sales or something. So the digital download here, online course and membership. So they have offer a lot of features for you. So keep that in mind. Now with Sellix is interesting in terms of the features that it offers you, in that it gives you, if you have people pay you Cash App, then it's actually very, I think it will be between 1% to 0%. So let's look at the gateway here. Start it for free. Yeah, so all these Ethereum, oh wow, look at all these features. They're trying to keep the fees very low, minimal to 0 to 1%. So you can have people pay you in Cash App, Bitcoin, Bitcash. So let's look at Cash App here. This is really interesting. Um, let's see here, marketing, and then you get affiliate marketing as well. So affiliate marketing for you. So you can start out. This is a feature that's similar to System.io, but with Sellix here, you can start for free, I believe here. Let's go down and look at it. Okay, let's go down the features here. Let's see, they have affiliate marketing for you. It doesn't say on here, but it does link with a lot with other integrations with a lot of other apps. You don't have custom website or anything. You have to do your own thing. You basically just insert this Sellix as like a cart um, for people to pay. Okay. But the best plan is going to be with the highest plan right here. Now going to the next three option is going to be Udemy, and it's going to be Udemy revenue here. You basically get to upload your courses for free, and it's a marketplace that people can come in and view your course, and you get paid by the amount of student coming in. You get to keep 97% of the revenue when your student purchases through your own referral link, which is great. You only losing about 3%, which is awesome. And then the sales that do not go through your own promotion, meaning that they promote it for you, you only get to keep 37%. I mean, if you're just starting out, it might be a place to start so that you get your words out, versus, I mean, you have to think that these are a free platform that you can get attention and get more eyeballs onto your product. And also Skillshare, and this is another platform that you can upload your courses for free, and you get paid by the amount of people watching your class and stuff like that. So it's really awesome to consider as well. Yeah, Skillshare blog, they have a lot of different story, different guide for you to show you how to do it. And last not least, I want to talk about teachers pays. Teachers pay teachers. Price. Let's see. Let's check this out. So, yeah, it might be an option for you to try it out. They have a lot of different way. How much does it cost to join? So here we go. This is where you want to check it out. How much does it cost to join? It's free to join. You just gonna be um, between basic and premium. There's two platform that two option for you to sign on. But basically, it's a platform that get the student to your to encouraging them to look at your classes and stuff like that. So uh, feel free to check it out. You have a lot of different options here. System, IO, Teachable have a free plan. Thinkific has a free plan. Gumroad, Payhip, Sellix, Udemy, Skillshare, and teachers pay teachers. I hope this video helped. I know it's a little bit longer, but I kind of want to cover, all the that possible option that I can think of for you. So let me know what you think. And in my opinion, I if I were if I were you, or I would definitely recommend System IO, and because they offer so much in the free plan, it's amazing. You get your free website right here, custom domain. This one right here, you don't have to pay for the hosting. And then you also get the affiliate program, and you also get email marketing for your. This is all you need really when you're starting out your first 6 months to a year, 2000 email unlimited. This is really great that it allows you to automate and allows you to do sales funnels, and you can kind of have an idea. It teaches you a lot to just try it out, to know how to automate your email, automate the workflow, how to get people to sign up for your email, then to have a landing page, a funnel, landing page, all that stuff. So yeah, I definitely recommend you to try it out, System IO. Let me know what you think and which one have you tried and which one you like the best. Thank you for watching.